Hey everybody, Scott Medlock here. We've got a beautiful day, September, and it's been a little while since I've been able to work on a trailer, but we're going to get back on it today. And I know that you guys see stuff in the YouTube world a little different than it actually happens, but it's actually been 5 weeks since I've been on this trailer. So we're going to try to get some things done today. I haven't been real motivated to get things done with other events and things going on. So let me show you what I'm going to try to get done today. So the last time that we were working on this, I began to work on getting that piece put in, forming the rest of the track. So today I want to get the angle piece put in over here. First I've got to weld the rest of that 4x4 in, and then I never did get back to putting the rest of these hubs on. I got the one hub on there, and then I stopped and got doing other things. So if I have time today, I'm going to put the other hubs on so I can eventually get the new tires and wheels on. So that's what I'm going to do today. So stay tuned, I'll get you set up with a good view. Alright guys, so I didn't get as far today as I wanted to, but the humidity came up and it's really just not so nice out here in the old outdoor garage. So I'm going to show you what I did get done though. I just didn't turn the camera back on after doing some welding. I'll show you what I did. I got the spring shackles put back on. They are welded in. Those are dudes. They're all welded on, both sides. And then I got the other piece of angle on the inside. I got it tack welded in there. I still got to figure out how I'm going to weld up the front side of it there. It's got about a 1/4 inch gap, and the old MIG is not going to cover that gap, so I may end up having to put a dowel rod or a piece of 1/4 inch steel, small piece of square steel in there and filling that hole up. My other thought is drill holes across the top of it and just plug weld it in place. It shouldn't take a lot of abuse going down the road. It's not really a lateral support or anything. It's just to hold the trailer in place. I will show you one thing that I've got going on here, and how I'm going to keep the trailer from moving whenever I've got the thing in place here. If you give me just a second, I'm going to put you down so I can figure out how to do this thing. Sorry Sorry about that. So in this magic bag here, I've got springs. Now if you can see this, this is just over 2 inches long, so it should go right through the truck, through the frame, and through the outside of the truck. And you just pull it in, and you'll be able to move the truck back and forth. Let it go, and it'll hold the truck in place. So let me show you what that's going to look like. So it's going to go likely on the inside here. Pull out a little bit so you can see. You can see it goes all the way across and even out through the exterior angle iron. So I'm going to have 4 of them, one on each corner, one here, back there, and up here. And the shear rate on them is like, I don't know, 8,000 pounds or something like that. So that should be more than enough to hold the truck in place. And oops, sorry. Well, this camera stuff's weird. Anyway, it should be enough to hold the rails, hold the truck on the frame, and should be pretty cool. Then I just got to drill the corresponding holes with the places I want the trailer to slide to. And then having the springs will be nice. You can pull it up to a certain spot, let the tension off, and then just pull the truck forward or backward, and it just should just pop into place, and that'll be that kind of thing. I didn't get to the hubs today. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. I don't do a whole lot on Sunday. Sometimes I just like to chill and tinker, so maybe I'll tinker out here. For now, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Like and subscribe.